The ROV Valuator is the application with over 600 advanced analytical functions and models. It affords hundreds of models in different categories for the user to select. The user can input the required data for the selected model, and this application will return the computed results very quickly. This module is useful for valuing derivative instruments, debt instruments, exotic options, options-embedded instruments, as well as multiple types of financial models. The 600 advanced models are categorized into the following groups of applications, like advanced math functions, basic finance models, basic option models, bond math options, pricing, yields, credit risk analysis, delta gamma hedging, exotic options, derivatives, financial ratios, forecasting, extrapolation, interpolation, probability distributions, put-call parity, option sensitivities, real options analysis, value at risk, volatility, portfolio risk and return. The ROV Risk Valuator is used to perform quick computations from simple and basic models to advanced analytical models and can handle single-point values or a series of inputs. After installing the software, start Risk Valuator. Simply select the model type in the model category box and select the model of interest in the model selection box. The required input parameters will then be listed. To get started learning how to use this tool, click on File and select Load Sample Inputs, or click on the Load Sample Inputs icon. Then select a model category and select Model of Interest. You will see the sample inputs loaded. You can then click on Compute the obtained results. Use these sample inputs as a guide to get started with your modeling needs, as well as how to enter the relevant inputs, including things like entering matrices as well as arrays of data. And by the way, the single point inputs, for example 10 or 10.45, will be in the single input parameters area, whereas multiple data requirements will be shown in the multiple series input requirements area. When entering a single series of multiple data points, use commas or spaces to separate the values. You can also enter in matrices for certain models. You can hit compute and the analysis is run and the results are returned. Finally, like the ROV modeler, the list of models and functions here can be customized. That is, you can change the function names, the functions that are loaded and visible, the descriptions and sample input data. Please refer to the user manual for more details as well as tips on fully utilizing the power of this ROV Valuator. Also, multiple languages are available for you to change and switch among, including English, Spanish, Japanese, Portuguese, Chinese, Italian, and German. In the next video segment, we will see how the ROV Optimizer works.